Tuarua wā te whakataetae Waka mo ngā kura tuarua o te motu.
This is the 21st annual secondary school Waka Championships, and for this year it's also the canoe racing national championships.
Neke atu I te rua mano ngā kaihoe, ko tahi rau toru te kaumārua ngā kura e whakataetae ana rai ki te rai.
There's 132 schools and 2,040 rangatahi here.
He kaupapa kua te kaumārima tau e whakatairanga ana I ngā hua o te waka ama atu I Tikitapu, te wāhi e hui ai te tini me te mano.
The event started in 2002 in Auckland, Tamaki Makaurau, and then it got too big for Tamaki Makaurau for the venue there, so it moved down here in 2005. It was at Aukaha from 2005 to 2008, and then 2009 it's been at Tikitapu ever since. So this is the best venue for this regatta.
Hei tōna Waka ki tea, whānui tia. E te iwi, e te motu whānui, I te hua o ngā mahi. Ki runga I tēnei wai.
It's awesome. The racing on the water is, you know, that's the kaupapa here is waka and paddling, but what happens off the water is just an amazing vibe. All the rangatahi from schools from all throughout Aotearoa, and we have two kura from Tahiti here as well. The whanaunga that happens on the land, and just amazing to see all of the kids enjoying themselves and having fun.
Tui anō ki ngā kōrero nei, kua waihape mai tētahi kura no Tahiti ki te whakataetae I tēnei tau. He hia no ngā kaiako o te kura kia wheako hia e ngā tauira, te taumata whakataetae I Aotearoa.
One school from Tahiti has been coming for quite a few years, and this year we've got another school, this is their first time. They don't have that many races for schools in Tahiti, and this is a great opportunity for them to come, learn a little bit about Aotearoa.
Well, this is our first time. Moorea, the neighboring island next to Tahiti, has been coming over for about 10 years, but this is our first. The kids yesterday were really excited to try the V12s because they've never been on a V12 before. They paddle on V6.
Ahakoa he toki tēnei kura ki te waka ama, ko te whakawhanaunga ki ngā kura oko nei ke te matua.
They're not here to win, they're here to see what it's like. It's also cultural, they want to see what va'a is like in New Zealand, where New Zealanders are taking it to. They have the competitive spirit, but they're not here to win, not necessarily. They're just here to meet people, experience the culture. Winning would be a bonus, but they're not necessarily here for that.
Hei te paupautanga o te wiki, whakakōpani hia ai te whakataetae nei ki ngā reihi whiringa toa.
For the racing, you know, it's competitive out on the water, have fun, get to know some new people, enjoy the kaupapa, and yeah, have a great week.
Mokonuiārangi Rangitauira no te reo irirangi o te arawa, mā Aukaha.